Hi guys, welcome to the 12th module of Revit Architecture. In this module, we'll be seeing how to make stairs, ramps, and railing to the existing project. So we'll be seeing in this lecture we'll be seeing how to add stairs. To add stairs, we need to go on. I'll be adding stairs here, and then duplicating this floor here. That we'll see later how to duplicate floors. First, I'll be making stairs here. So to make stairs, I need to go on level 1 here. I'll be adding stairs here. So to add stairs, I need to go on architecture tab and stairs option here. Click on that. Then you will get the stairs here. So you can change the settings like how much stairs, number of stairs you want, the actual thread size and the riser size. You can change this in the edit type option. Yeah. So for now, I'll be sticking to these and just making the stairs. So I'll select. We have three options here: the run, the landing, and the support. So first we'll be drawing the runway, and then I'll select the straight one only. Click on that, and then I'll start. I'll draw this and then align it later. I'll have. You can see that they give. It's written 14 rises created and 6 remaining. So like we have total number of 20 threads, so rises. So I'll have 15 and 5, 15 here. Start the next. So you can see that automatic landing is created. So and then once you finish it, you just need to click on finish edit. You get this. Yeah. So I'll show the 3D view here. Yeah. So you can see this stairs has been made. To align this, I'll go again to the floor plan. I need to align this railing to the model. First, I need to go on modify, and then click on align. I'll select this, and then this. That's aligned now. I need this. So this is aligned. I'll go to the so you can see this stairs created with a stringer and railing. You can change the stringer railing type here. Go to railing, just select whichever you need. If you select glass, you can see the railing change and do this settings however you want. You can change the risers and thread size also. Yeah, so this is how you make stairs.